Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this Motorola. Start by opening Settings, then choose Security and tap on Face Unlock. Enter your current login method, and tap on Setup at the bottom right corner. Now choose Next at the bottom right corner as well after reading the disclaimer. And follow those instructions over here. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now select Next at the bottom right corner as well, and you can tap on Done, but you don't have to. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!